Did you know that starting in your 30s, your body begins to produce less and less collagen? At first, the change is imperceptible. You still feel more or less the same, and you look in the mirror without noticing major differences. But little by little, something starts to change. One day, you notice your skin doesn't look as firm as it used to. Fine lines begin to appear around your eyes when you wake up. Your joints crack when you get out of bed or climb stairs, and your hair no longer has the same strength or shine it once had. And then you ask yourself the inevitable question: when did all this start? I asked myself the same question. And like many others, I fell into the trap of looking for quick fixes. I tried expensive creams full of miraculous promises, supplements with names I could barely pronounce, with labels claiming immediate results, trendy formulas, shiny packaging, treatments that looked more like something from a lab than a kitchen. But nothing really seemed to work, at least, not in a lasting way. Until one day, I remembered a simple, almost forgotten recipe that my grandmother used to make with love and care, her famous special broth. To her, it was more than just a dish. It was her secret to staying agile, with soft skin and that sparkle in her eyes that doesn't fade with age. Even in her 70s, her vitality was something we all admired. She walked upright, was in good spirits, and rarely complained about aches and pains. She always said, "What matters most is what you give your body from the inside." So, I decided to give it a try. I gave her recipe a chance, without expecting much. But to my surprise, just one small cup a day was enough to start noticing real changes. Not just in my skin, but in how I felt inside. Fewer joint aches, more energy in the mornings, better digestion, and that sense of well-being I hadn't felt in a long time. The change wasn't immediate, but it was steady and consistent. As if my body, grateful, had begun to wake up. And it's not just a subjective feeling. Science now supports many of these observations. Over the years, fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen, become less active. This natural decline leads to loss of skin firmness, the appearance of wrinkles, brittle hair, joint pain, and muscle mass loss. But there is hope. Numerous studies have shown that consuming hydrolyzed collagen can improve skin elasticity and hydration, and relieve joint discomfort. It's true that many of these long-term effects are still being studied. But the evidence so far is promising enough to turn our attention back to nature. Not everything has to come in the form of capsules or creams with exotic ingredients. Sometimes, what really works is what our grandparents already knew: nutritious, comforting food made with real ingredients. That's why today I want to show you how to make your own homemade collagen, easily, affordably, and powerfully. I'll explain why it works, how to prepare it step by step, how to include it in your routine, and what benefits you can expect if you stay consistent. The best part is, you don't need any strange ingredients or artificial products. Everything is already in your kitchen: bones, vegetables, natural spices, and a little patience. Because taking care of your skin, bones, and joints doesn't require the latest technology or expensive treatments. Sometimes, the key is going back to the basics, to rediscover what our grandmothers knew by heart and what, today, with the help of science, we can appreciate even more. So stay with me until the end. This could be the first step toward a more vibrant, strong, and healthy version of yourself, no matter your age. Are you ready to discover this secret that blends tradition with scientific knowledge? Before we begin, tell us in the comments how old you are and which city you're watching from. Your participation matters and helps us create more helpful content for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips that can make a big difference in your life and the lives of your loved ones. Let's get started. Now then, let's begin with the most important question. What exactly is collagen, and why is it so essential for your health? Here enters the true star of this story, bone broth. A classic that has been passed down from generation to generation, nearly forgotten for a while, but now making a powerful comeback. And it's no coincidence. We're not just talking about an old recipe or a passing health food trend. We're talking about a true nutritional gem. A functional food that nourishes from within, strengthens the body, supports the digestive system, and promotes firmer skin and stronger joints. In short, it's much more than food, it's traditional medicine made at home. To prepare it, you don't need complicated techniques or fancy equipment. Just real ingredients, time, and care. The heart of this recipe is bones with marrow and cartilage, whether beef, chicken, or fish. You can use organic chicken carcasses, feet bones, fish spines, or beef cuts like knee or femur bones. To this, you add fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, onion, and a few cloves of garlic, not only for flavor but also for their anti-inflammatory compounds. Aromatic herbs like bay leaf, rosemary, or thyme enhance the aroma and boost its medicinal properties. A key ingredient you can't skip is apple cider vinegar. Just a few tablespoons are enough to help extract minerals and collagen from the bones during cooking. Everything goes into a large pot and is covered with cold water. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat to a simmer and let it cook slowly for 12 to 24 hours. During the first few hours, it's a good idea to skim off the foam that rises to the surface. These are impurities best removed to obtain a clearer, cleaner broth. At the end of the process, strain it carefully and let it cool. If it becomes gelatinous in the fridge, congratulations! That's a sign you've made a broth rich in collagen, gelatin, and nutrients. That thickness is your best indicator of success. Once ready, you can store it in glass jars in the fridge for several days or freeze it in individual portions so you always have some on hand. 1 cup a day is more than enough to start noticing changes. Less inflammation, better digestion, more hydrated skin, stronger nails, and a general improvement in mobility and energy. Many people drink it in the morning as a daily ritual, while others prefer it at night, since its high glycine content, a relaxing amino acid, supports restorative sleep. Now, if you don't consume animal products, don't worry. Although collagen itself is animal-derived, your body can still produce it if it has the right nutrients. That's where a diet rich in vitamin C, found in fruits like guava, kiwi, oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, silicon, in foods like cucumber, celery, whole oats, or bamboo shoots, zinc, in pumpkin seeds, lentils, chickpeas, and nuts, and antioxidants, found in berries, pure cocoa, or turmeric, comes into play. You can even prepare a symbolic plant-based version of broth using herbal infusions rich in minerals, and natural gelatins made with agar-agar, citrus juices, and chia seeds, which mimic the texture of animal gelatin and help stimulate collagen production. But here's a heads up. No matter how much broth you drink, if your overall diet is heavy in refined sugar, white flour, ultra-processed food, excessive alcohol, or you're not sleeping well, the effect will be limited. Collagen isn't immune to bad habits. Too much sun exposure, smoking, and chronic stress also break it down quickly. That's why it's best to integrate this broth into a conscious and balanced lifestyle, one that prioritizes real food, quality protein, good rest, hydration, and sun protection. Are you over 70? This broth is perfect for you. Noticing deep wrinkles or struggling to get out of bed in the morning? You'll benefit too. Taking collagen supplements? No problem, bone broth complements them. It doesn't necessarily replace them. How long should you take it? Ideally, it becomes just another habit, like drinking water, exercising, or brushing your teeth. It has no serious contraindications, but if you have kidney issues, high uric acid, or are on a very specific diet, it's best to check with your doctor or nutritionist. Homemade collagen isn't a fad, it's ancestral health. It's going back to what works, to what doesn't need flashy marketing to prove its effectiveness. It's reconnecting with our bodies and saying, I hear you, and I'm going to take care of you. Not just to look better in the mirror, but to move without pain, to live fully, with energy and confidence in our natural ability to regenerate. And that's it for today's video. Now tell me, are you going to try making it this week? If you've made it before, do you have any special twist, tip, or recipe you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this content helpful, share it with your friends and family. Maybe someone close to you needs this information too. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to keep getting valuable insights that can truly transform your daily life. See you in the next video.